Hey guys, welcome to the training of Unlimited Map Leads. And basically in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Integromat API webhook with Unlimited Map Leads, right? So you can see I'm on this map and I'm looking for my leads with restaurants in New York. Now, if I open my extension, then you will be able to see two options: download as CSV or send data to a webhook URL. Now, previously you saw that I have shown you how to use Zapier API, but right now I'm going to show you how you can use Integromat Webhook, right? So this is my old webhook. So I'm gonna show you how you can create your own webhook and then you can send this data to your webhook, right? So for that, you have to log into your Integromat account. And after doing that, on from your left hand side, you have to click on scenarios. And under these scenarios, you have to come and then click on create new scenario. Now from here, you need two things. For my example, I'm going to use basically webhooks, and then the data I'll receive in my webhook, I wanna send that data to Google Sheet. Okay. So for you, you can use as per your choice, but webhook obviously will be required for is this feature. So now we have clicked on webhook, and the very first option, the custom webhook, you have to select. And after doing that, just click on add. Now when you will do that, it will ask you for the name. So let me give you the name as this. And by the way, this works for unlimited business leads as well as unlimited map leads for both, right? Now you can see show advanced settings. If you click on there, you can see all of these options are there. So don't touch any of them. Just give the name, click on save. Now your webhook is waiting to get some data from somewhere. So what you have to do, you have to copy this URL, which you can easily do by clicking on this button, and then go back to this map page, not on that page itself, and don't try from here only. Go to the map page, then click on this option, and now the link you have just copied, paste that there, and then send this test data. Now you can see it is saying sent. So if you go back in here, it is showing you successfully determined. That means your webhook is ready. Now you can click on OK. So your next step will be the Google Sheet that I actually in my training, it is the Google Sheet. So I'm gonna add one row each time the data will come. Now here under this connection string, you have to select your own account, and you can actually give any name that you want and just give a click on that continue button. As soon as you click, you will get that which email ID you wanna use, and then obviously you have to allow access to that Gmail account. Now as soon as I'll do that, it will say that select spreadsheet and the sheet. So I have to select the spreadsheet first, which is this. Obviously, I have created that Excel sheet prior to, means the scenario that I'm creating in Integromat. And these headings, how you're going to get, you can just, means download some data with this option, download as CSV, and then you can just copy the headers from that CSV, what I just did for my case too, right? So now if I go back in here, I just have selected that Excel file and then sheet number one, and it is saying that table contains headers. Yes, then all this. If you say no, then basically now column range you have to give that which data you are getting, but obviously you'll be using this. Now you can see all of these fields are headers are coming from your Excel file. Now how to map these data which are coming from your webhook, right? So you have to click on this show advanced settings, and then you will be able to see two different options in here. One is value input option, another is insert data option. So for us, we have to enable this map option for insert data. Now, after doing this, you have to go up and then you have to map every data that you want. So none of these fields are mandatory. So whichever data you want, only map those. For this example of the training, I'll be mapping each and everything. Okay. So for me, this one is search position, this one is ad status, name, description, rating, reviews, phone number, street address, city, state, zip, website. So now as I'm not using Hunter key, like this extension has Hunter key option or the Tomba API, either of these you can use to get your data with, means the email ID, the verified email ID. So I'm not using any of those, which is why I'm not selecting those in here. Now, as I'm done up to website, so I can just click on OK. So now both of my steps are ready and I can just run it once to test. And it is saying that it is now waiting for my data to come. And for an example, like, means to check everything is working fine or not, I can just click on this send test data once more, which is saying not sent. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to just refresh it once. And then we will go in here. And it is running. So now from here, I'll just retest. Okay, so sorry, it's I'm wrong. So I have to actually do like, now run it once, waiting for the data. So I was sending the data and how I was sending, I should not send this test data because it was not determining the data. So that was my bad. I had to click on confirm so that it can actually receive the actual data. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, so previously I gave the wrong thing. I mean, wrong URL API. So now in here, you can see I was running this, but in here, I actually had my old API webhook. That is why it was not sending the data. You can see this is a new webhook. So now if I click on send, you can see it is saying send, and here 1 and 1. That means one data received, one data sent. And if I go to my Excel file, you will see that the data is already there, right? So now let's see how actually it works with the actual data. So I can go back to my final result. In here, I have to refresh the page once. And now this time I'm not going to send, means first make sure you have the right webhook at right place. And then you don't have to click on send test data anymore. Just click on confirm. Now, as soon as you will do so, you will see how unlimited map leads or unlimited business leads is now sending data over to that Excel file. And now you can see I already received 4, 5. Now, if I go in here, oh, I'm wrong. I forgot to do one thing. My webhook actually is not running. So what I should do first, I have to click on and then the run scenario should be immediately. So I have to activate this, and now my webhook can actually read all this data. So I have to rerun the software once, and also I have to make sure that I'm giving the right webhook, which I can see this time it is saved and properly. Now I can click on confirm. So now Unlimited Map Leads is parsing the data, and it's about to send the data to the Excel file. So these are my old data, so don't worry about up to this. But these are the new data that are coming. And as these row was, okay, so this is again creating the issue. So let me do one thing. Stop scrapping, go to home, refresh this page. Make sure this file doesn't have any data while you are running, or while it is running, you are not clearing the data like I was doing, so that there will be no clash with respect to the data that are sent by the extension to the webhook. Okay, so now I'm rerunning this software. So now if I go back to my Excel file, you can see as every row was blank. So now it started from the row number 2, and it is adding every data properly, not like the other time how it was working. So while giving you training, we also saw that same data came in here, and that is gonna come actually like this is from Google. Like whenever we are not active on this tab, Google sometimes is not giving us the next data, right? So better when you are running this, that point of time, you should be on this page, which means, let me stop this once more. And then let me go back to my main result page and just, means delete all this data. And now let me send this data again. And this time I will just keep this window and this tab active, so that there will not be any sort of issues with respect to, means duplicate data, or Google is not sending out the data to us. And now while it is parsing the data, you can go anywhere, you can play around, you can do whatever you want, but means there are two options for you. One, you can just leave this window like this. If you have two different monitor, then you can leave this window and this tab open in your second monitor, or in here only if you wanna work, as well as you want this extension to work alone. So just keep it in a different window, and means do your other work on this other particular window, and just make sure that both of your window, like means you are at least clicking and being active. Otherwise Google will be actually stopping you from getting any of those data. Now you can see that Google is parsing the data, as well as sending, like Unlimited Map Leads is sending the data. And in your other window, you can now check that what are the data are actually coming from that map. and you can tally now both of the data at the same time. But if you're on the same window and you saw that when I was on the same window and I was roaming around with the tabs, that point of time, it was not sending the proper data at all, right? So you also should not do so, so that you can make sure that you are getting all the data properly. So now you can see the count in here as well as the count in here. So whenever all data will be, means fetched, that point of time you will see the done text, basically notification in both of these icon, no matter which window you are on right now, but you will be able to see the counts and the progress in both of these window. So if you're working on this window, then you don't have to worry about what is going on in here, because you can easily check, okay, already I have received 50 records, 51 records or so, right? So I'm just stopping this for now because this is basically the training. So I'm happy with this 56 records or 57 records only, right? So now I can go back in here, and this I don't need anymore. So I can just close this. And you can see I have a lot of data in here that I just received from Unlimited Map Leads. And basically after getting this data, now you can play whatever the way you want. Okay. So that's all guys for this training. Let me know if you have any question. Okay. Thank you.